Do you want to add music to your WhatsApp status but aren't sure how? You're in the right place. I'll show you a simple way to add music to the photos or videos you upload as a WhatsApp status. Since WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in option to add music, we'll use a little trick with the help of Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and swipe to access the camera. Next, upload the photo or video you want to add music to. I'll be using a pre-recorded video. To add music, tap on the sticker icon at the top, then select the music tool. You can browse available songs or use the search bar to find a specific track. Once you've chosen your song, Instagram will overlay it onto your video. After that, save the video to your phone's gallery by tapping the three dots in the top right corner and selecting the Save option. Once the video is saved, open WhatsApp and create a new status. Upload the video you just edited on Instagram, and once posted, everyone who views your status will hear the music you added. And that's it. That's how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.